Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Have you ever wondered what kind of opportunities are there for you as a digital marketer? Well, you're in the right place at the right time, because in this video, I will be breaking down the different types of job opportunities, freelance opportunities that you can get as a digital marketer, and what kind of digital marketing you could get into, the skills and qualifications that you might need, and how much money you could expect to earn as a digital marketer. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I'm actually a single mother of 2 children, and I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I actually felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in 17 months. She's actually gone past her 4th million in 2 years. And now I'm actually learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. But what I'm absolutely loving about this live interactive program is, even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners. So if you are interested in getting into digital marketing space and you're wondering what kind of opportunities are there for you, let me go ahead and share my screen here. By the way, digital marketing is all about learning the skills to market, to promote your business, to market your product or service online, right? It's getting away from the traditional ways of doing things. And there's different types of digital marketing that you could do. You could do paid ads, SEO, AdSense, web analytics, conversions, content marketing, email marketing, e-commerce marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, video marketing, podcast marketing, mobile, viral. There's just so many ways that you could go about getting into the digital marketing space. But if you wanted to go into it as a freelancer, where you could work around your hours, your own time, work around the family, there's this site here called Upwork, where you could actually create a profile and you could have people searching for whatever skills that you have. So what I did was I just put here in the search digital marketer, and this is what came up. So Ifan here earns $20 per hour. He has a 90% success rate. He's earned over $30,000. So you can actually see exactly what it is that he does. And if you like his profile, he offers consultations as well. And Claudia here earns $5.56 per hour. She has a 100% success rate and she's earned over 800,000. Okay, so from that 800,000, 600 were hourly jobs, 444 were fixed price, and she's worked 66,761 hours. So she does Facebook, social media, and all this. Okay, digital marketing experts. So India, Devanshi, that's $9 per hour, and so on. So you have an idea here of the amount of money that you can earn, from the hundreds, thousands to whatever, anywhere 60,000. People are earning 200,000, just different amounts, 70,000, and so on and so forth. Now, wherever you are, you could actually do a search, a Google search. And if you want to look for locally, these are just like Dublin rates. So as a digital marketing executive, you can earn between 34,000 to 35,000 per annum with that company. This one here, 38,000 to 53,000 per annum. 34,000 seems to be the minimal range here to 49. This one, group marketing manager, 50,000. So there's different companies, different sites. You're just limited by your imagination. You can do any search will bring different avenues that you could go as a digital marketer. Now, if you wanted to learn digital marketing, there's so many ways that you could do it. There's different platforms that you could do, like Udemy, Coursera. You could do a Google search to do Google courses, and you could actually learn the skills. And the best way that I've found is to actually learn and earn at the same time. So what I want to do is I want to share with you the program that I'm using to learn digital marketing skills right now. And as I said to you, let me share it and just give you an idea. Okay, you actually get two apps when you become a member, and I want to share with you this bonus site here. We have over 51,000 paid members in our community, and we have a calendar, because this here you can see the month of April, right? Today is Wednesday. We have a technical call coming in. Yesterday we had a mentoring call. So it's not just a program where you get the login details, you actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners. And we have this classroom here where you can get access to content. One of the things you get access to is our 90-day runs, where our millionaire mentor does it releases a video for 90 days, about 5-minute videos. It's not taking up your time, and she gives you a call to action. And sometimes it's about mindset, sometimes about skill sets. So we're on day 63 of 90 days here, and she's just walking us through that. Imagine what it would be like for you to have that accountability, a multi-millionaire every day just holding you accountable. Mindset training we have here. We have a content vault where you can download content and upload it to your social media. We have replays that you would have missed. We have countless of replays here that you can get access to. There's another one there. There's a special guest that I can see, and so on and so forth. Here, if it's mentoring, these are this is the creator. This is a South African millionaire. The others, I don't recommend them. I don't recognize them, sorry, but I know that they are. If they're here doing this call, they're are 6 and 7 figure earners, right? So it's great to have different perspectives and so on. So this here is our bonus site, and I want to just finish off by sharing with you some wins that we have. Angie just said she got, how many did she get? 1,000 views for her live. She went live on TikTok. Christina, 17 hours ago, first $10,000 month. She actually earned $10,000. That's absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Elizabeth, $900 4 hours ago. April is not even ready, right? Today's the 2nd of April. And Emily, 12 minutes ago, just made my first $2,700 sale. Congratulations. Let's see, can't believe, like, I'm certified. So these are just different people sharing the wins in the community, right? And my first 2.0 sale, just sharing a screenshot there. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing here. So yeah, if you are interested in getting live interactive coaching and mentorship to learn how to build your email list, how to build your brand, build your email list using attraction marketing, how to learn video marketing, content marketing, how to learn email marketing, how to learn all these skills that are going to help you. You could either do freelancing with them, or you could use the skills to actually promote this program, which pays you 100% instantly and directly. And I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'm going to send it to your email. Check your spam folder. And feel free to respond to my email. Ask me any questions that you might have, because I'm more than happy to answer them. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.